With this Kobalt 2-tool combo kit, you can easily tackle a variety of heavy-duty projects. The hammer drill's brushless motor delivers 650 inch-pounds of torque, allowing you to make quick, clean holes in brick or concrete, while the variable speed trigger and 24-position clutch allow you to set speed and torque to the task for ultimate control. The impact driver delivers 1,800 inch-pounds of torque, and it has a finish function that enhances control in delicate applications by slowing the tool down as a screw approaches the desired depth. Plus, electronic speed control lets you match speed to the task for precise results in a variety of applications. Both tools feature built-in LED work lights and are powered by 24-volt max lithium-ion batteries, offering longer run times and convenient fuel gauges to easily monitor charge status. And the included soft case keeps it all together. Enjoy lasting power, fast charging, and precise results with the versatile, easy-to-use tools in this Kobalt 24-volt max 2-tool combo kit.